I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mini Cooper water pump using an easy method. First, ensure your vehicle is safely elevated on 4 jack stands and the front passenger wheel is removed. Next, place a drain pan beneath the radiator and open the coolant reservoir cap to drain the old coolant. Having your metric socket set, wrenches, and a T30 Torx bit ready will make the process smoother. With the coolant drained, remove the inner fender liner from the passenger wheel well. Now, carefully support the engine from underneath using a floor jack and a piece of wood on the oil pan. Remove the 4 13mm engine mount fasteners and the 18mm nut, then gently lower the engine a few inches. Next, disengage the friction wheel by pulling its release tab, then remove the 3 10mm bolts and the pulley. Before installing the new pump, ensure the mounting surface on the engine block is perfectly clean. Carefully position the new water pump with its gasket into place. Thread in the 5 10mm mounting bolts by hand, then tighten them to 10 Nm, or about 7 foot-pounds. Reinstall the water pump pulley, securing its 3 10mm bolts to 10 Nm, and then reattach the friction wheel assembly. Now, raise the engine back into position and reinstall the engine mount, torquing the nut to 47 Nm. Reattach the inner fender liner and the passenger wheel, tightening the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Slowly refill the coolant reservoir with a 50/50 coolant and distilled water mixture. Start the engine with the heat on high and bleed any air from the system. Finally, inspect for any leaks and confirm normal operating temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.